What's good, YouTube? So, probably seen the title. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna put on the title, but recently, I had a problem. So, when I went to the toilet, I sat down, tried to shit, nothing would come out. Like, I would want to shit, but there was nothing coming out. Not even a fart, nigga. Not even a fart. And the problem, it's not a problem, but the solution I found was that human should be able to sneeze with their ass. Like, imagine it. Like, what is a sneeze? A sneeze is like a combination of a spit and blowing. Like, yeah, that's the thing. Like, huge amounts of pressure of air and a little bit of residue. So like, and at the same time, in the same morning, I was feeling like my nose was itching, and I just sneezed, and it was perfect. Like, I had my nose cleared, everything was smooth. I think we should be able to do that shit without ass. Like, imagine it. If I could be able to sneeze with my ass, I would be on the toilet, take a feather, trickle down a little bit. Damn, my ass is clean. The poop is perfect. I don't even need to wipe, nigga. Take that shit in consideration. And that would be amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, life would be so easy, bro. But on the other side, imagine if I had a flu or something. Like, I don't want to sneeze my ass off. Like, this shit gonna be dirty as fuck. Like, imagine sitting in class and you have diarrhea or something and you're just sneezing from your ass, nigga. You gotta wear diapers at some point. That's a problem. I think we should find a middle ground of how to sneeze without ass. Am I making sense right now? Like, I think I'm making sense. I think I'm making huge sense right now. But hey, beautiful sunrise as always. What time is it? 6:52 in the morning. Always good to wake up in the morning. Wake up early, guys. Really important. So yeah, I think we should be able to sneeze without ass. Like, that's probably my best idea in the recent weeks or so. The best thing I've come up. Like, I mean, that's how people find their best ideas. Like, if I have a problem, I'm gonna need to find a solution. I'm gonna need that solution. And my solution to not being able to shit even though I want to was to come up with sneezing with my ass. Like, I'm some kind of genius. We used to hunt animals. We needed more power. We made weapons. We needed better, better energy. So we cooked the meat, even though some people are still debating if we should cook the meat or not. Bro, even Jeffrey Epstein used to cook his meat, bro. What the fuck? I mean, I could understand the milk and the eggs, like, not cooking the yellow part of the egg. Yeah, I could understand. I could understand it, like, if you drink raw milk. I could understand that if you could digest it. But cook your meat, bro. Especially if it's store-bought. Like, if it's from the how do we say in English? Like, the boucher, the butcher. Yeah, the guy that sells meat, like the ethical one. Like, is it even ethical to sell meat? I think it is. Maybe. Shit, I don't know. But whatever. Yeah, cook your meat, bro. Anyway, I'm just standing in front of the stadium of my little city, and there is the automatic watering, and it's a mess. Like it's not even even. It's not even even. Yeah, whatever. It's not even like, damn. All the water that's being wasted. The shit, you pay for that shit. I mean, not you, but I in some way. But yeah, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, that was my little video in this morning. So yeah, I think we should be able to sneeze with our ass. Yeah. Bye.